So good evening. From long back, we have not uploaded any video due to some personal issues, or we cannot able to manage two channels at the time. So that is the main reason we haven't uploaded any video. So basically, when we started this channel, okay, now I'm going to upload continuously going forward. We will get continuous videos. That is a different thing. But we have started as a Tamil channel. The other channel which I have, I will show it right now. So this channel, okay, this channel, so basically we have continued in English, but my sister used to manage this channel, but unfortunately she cannot able to continue. So what we did, instead of doing two works, we will manage to continue only one channel. So this is the main reason we are not getting any videos over here, but going forward what we do in English, in this channel we will upload a video, the same content whichever published in the Tamil over there, we will upload it here also. So recently I had uploaded some strategy like, okay, so VWAP trading strategy. Okay, so basically it's a good strategy. We backtested like 10-15 days in a live market also, even last 90 days also, but this is not a guarantee. This video is only for educational purpose. So education in the sense, I will give you something and you need to work it on a live. So this is how it works. So I don't want to, so basically I'm going to upload this video, and now I already set for 5 o'clock. So with this is basic and this is advanced, but in this video I'm going to do it in a single video. Why? Because that is a 10 days before video, so I don't want to drag it for two videos, because after long back also. So we will continue we will go to the video and we will check what is the strategy. So if you are a trader, okay, so basically I will give you some introduction about how we trade. We don't touch Bank Nifty, Sensex. Why? Because simple saying, for Bank Nifty, okay, so if you are gathering 100 points, for example, so at the money option, if you are, see, you can see the premium right over here, like 300, 400 will be there, okay, like 300, 400 will be there. If you are gathering 100 points, what you will get is a 3,500 rupees as a profit. But in Nifty, if you are gathering 100 points, it is 7,500 rupees as a profit. But I understand your question, the Bank Nifty will move faster, Nifty will move slower, and here the target hit in within 5 to 10 minutes, but there it will take lot of time. This is what your mindset, I hope so. If you are having this kind of mindset, kindly change it. Why? Because see, you are looking for only target perspective, you are not looking for a stop loss perspective. But many of the 99% of the trader lose the money. Why? Because they do not have a stop loss. If they have a stop loss, they may sustain more and more. Instead of losing it in a one day, they can continue for a long while, like 1 week for the same amount, like 10,000 rupees, 1 week or 1 month or like 1 year, like this they can grow. And while that 1 year they are into the market, they will learn lot of things. Okay, this is how I'm getting a SL, this is how, these things will give us more knowledge. Okay, so basically that is how as a trader we need to look for it. So this is the main reason we avoid Bank Nifty we are taking it. So what we need to do here, only simple thing we need to do here, as soon as, for example, the market is open, tomorrow market is opening at 26,042. So we are going to take at the money of call and put. That means to say 26,050 call and 26,050 put. Both same time we are going to take it. Okay, both same time we are going to take it. So 1 minute, let's cut this volume profile, we are not required. So we are going to take it, and there are a lot of time frames, correct? So this strategy will help us to scalp, not for a complete trade there is a different setup. So this is only for a scalping. Okay, scalping, this can be useful, but when I'm giving you strategy, this is only for educational purpose. I'm not a SEBI registered analysis. Before I start the strategy, I will update this. So after I give this strategy, work on your own. So go to the chart and back test it, and like 1 week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks live test it. After that, if you have a confidence, get into the real trades. This is how the market works, this is how the investment works, this is how the trading works. So let's go to the strategy. So we are going to use 5 minutes time frame. We can use 3 minutes also, but there is a difference between 3 minutes and 5 minutes. If you see 3 minutes, there are more wicks that will make more traffic into the chart. So but instead of 3 minutes, if you use 5 minutes, it can be avoided. Okay, there are many wicks can be avoided. If you check it out, you will get to know. So what we are going to do, we are going to add VWAP. Okay, we are going to add VWAP into this. So VWAP is normal, but what we are going to do, so we are going to go to the settings, and there is a concept called display to standard deviation. Display to standard deviation, we are going to click it. So click done. Okay, so I will do it on CE chart also. I have done it. Okay, so you can see, so if you do this, there will be a 3 lines. Okay, there will be a 3 lines will be there over here. So the strategy is very simple, very simple. So first 15 minutes, like 9:15 to 9:30, we are not going to touch anything. Like even if you have an entry also, we are not going to take it. Our entry will be after 9:30 only. Okay, after 9:30 only. Even it is a CE, even it is a PE, we are going to take it only after 9:30. So there is a reason behind this, why after 9:30. If you ask me in a comment, so that I will update in the next video why after 9:30. Okay, so we are going to make a separate video for this for sure. So the thing is one very simple thing, market open here. Let's assume market will open here. So we will take before dates. Okay, before dates. See, very simple. So you can see right over here 9:30 over here. Okay, so but it touches the 3rd line. So what we need to do here is we need to wait until the retracement. I hope so you know what is retracement. So if you are not knowing what is retracement, kindly give me a comment so that I can give you the clarification in a message. Okay, so retracement, we wait for a retracement. After retracement, so what we are going to do, so we are going to check either the market is getting retraced in the center line, that is VWAP line, correct? So center line, if you have a retracement, how we confirm this is a retracement? So the thing nothing, so it need to fall down from here, okay, this level to this level. Again the candle should open above this, okay, so above this red line. Okay, if it open above this red line, so you can take a entry and you can have a this red line as a stop loss. So that means to say, for example, if for example it open at 70, and where you can have a stop loss 69, so like 1 point as a stop loss. So the target is this one. Okay, this one, like 78 will be the target. So you are not getting retraced over here, so it break. Okay, as soon as it open, it break. So what we are going to check, we are going to avoid this particular area. We are going to wait until it hit this level, what the below line, the 3rd line. So there we are going to check either it take a retracement or not. So here you can see clearly it take a retracement and it open above. So that means to say around 58 rupees it got open, and where we have a SL, this line. Okay, this down line we have a SL. 53 will be our stop loss, and the target will be what, this one. 65 will be the target. So that means to say 58, 5 point stop loss, like 7 points target, easy target, correct? Like 7 to 10 points target, like 1:1, 1:2, easily we get. But this is a basic video. Till now what we see is a basic. In this, what we have here, there is a entry, it went up. Okay, 5 points, 6 points, it went up. Scalping will 5 points will be more sufficient enough. But then too, we need to take a multiple entries. Here it open, and here it open, and here also it got open. There are in these 3 entries, 2 entries little bit went up, again it come down. Same price long back. Okay, long back it is at the same level. As a trader, if we are holding this kind of trade, we get lot of emotional things. To avoid this, I mean to avoid multiple entries and multiple re-entries, like it will lead us to over trading, correct? It will lead to over trading. So main reason we avoid it. Why? Because how we can avoid this? This is what we are going to see. So what we are going to do, we are going to add one more indicator. Okay, one more indicator, that is William percentage R. Okay, I mean William percentage range. So there are 2 levels over here, like 80, okay, minus 80, minus 20. So minus 20 will inform us they overbought it. Okay, so minus 80 inform us they oversold it. So if they oversold it, what they are going to do? They are going to buy it, correct? So there is a very simple thing. So we need to, first thing, we need to wait for a retracement, either this line or this line. The second thing we are going to check is William percentage R. The thing is, when we are buy, so we are going to buy only, we are not going to sell. So the setup is very simple. So this line, okay, there is a center line over here. This line need to cross this minus 80 level. Okay, minus 80 level need to cross over. Once it, so like for example here it came, setup came, and if it cross over, then we can take an entry. If it did not cross over, so you can see right over here, it did not cross over, we should not take an entry. But here it have a crossover, there you can take an entry. The same time here also you can see right over here, it gave a crossover, but in this candle if you see, it did not give a crossover, but we should not take an entry. But the next candle it have a crossover, there you can take an entry, and exactly it hit a target. So you can back test it for this. Okay, so I will I will show it on here also. Give me a minute. So you can see right over here, it got open. It have a crossover here, and it hit a target. Correct. But the same time, here you can see there is a open. Correct. There is a open over here, but it is already above zero. It did not have a crossover. Correct. So we should not take a entry. And the same thing here also. It already have it here. Correct. It already have a in a overbought range. So we should not take entry over here. The same time, you can take a entry over here. So there is no confusion over here. And the same thing here also. See, crossover happen over here, and you can take a entry right over here. Like, see, this is not a real entry, real exit, but this is only for educational purpose. This will not give you any 100% guarantee that this will hit a target. This will give you 100% returns. No, you need to work on this, and you need to back test it. You need to live test it. Then only it is going to work out for you, because the trading need a lot of practice. Okay, I hope so you understand. So the same level here also, you can see it got open over here, but can we take a entry? We don't take a entry. This is like 26,050 CE. Okay, 50 CE, like, which is in the money. So it have a very less target. You can see right over here, 216 and 221. Do we need this entry? Ask yourself question. Do we need this entry? And the same time here also. But whenever it is crossing over, okay, whenever it is crossing over from downside, you have a clear entries. You can see right over here, and you can see right over here as well. So we have a clear entries whenever it is crossing over, and directly it hit a first target as well as a second target also. You can see right over here also. See, okay. So here what we have 74, and what is the SL 71. First target is 83, and the second target is 99. It have a clear crossover. Correct. It have a clear crossover, and this kind of entries you see, and it did not hit a target. Correct. It did not hit a target. It may go up, but it did not hit a target. So using with this, you can avoid multiple entries, and I hope so. If you like this strategy, kindly give me in comments. If you have any struggles, okay, if you have any struggles on this strategy, kindly WhatsApp me. I can clarify anytime. Whenever you have a doubts, you can WhatsApp me anytime. I can give you the clarification on the market. Always welcome. So this is what for today. Most probably after this, we are going to continue the complete series. So as per the demand, if the channel goes good, we will continue more videos like this, but in English, okay, in English. So if you want in Tamil, so kindly follow the other channel, and we will do it over there. So same, both the name is Tradetastic only. Check it out. So I hope so. I'm done for the today. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Happy trading on Monday.